So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Moomoo stock, ticker symbol FUTU on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo and you want to invest in the company itself. What I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search icon or the magnifying glass at the top. Type in ticker symbol FUTU. At the top it says Moomoo. Go ahead and press on that. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on trade and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select buy, the session, the order type, the price, as well as the quantity. Once that is done, press the green buy button at the bottom to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Moomoo stock, ticker symbol FUTU on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.